Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to practice in Excel flash fill, or you can say text to column converter, and if function, and you can say the main part of Excel is if, or in Power BI also you can say this is the most important part of any company. You whatever you are going to practice today, it will be helpful for your lifetime, going to help in your career if you want to grow, guys. So go watch earlier videos what I have uploaded related Excel and Power BI, and keep practicing with me today, as I am also learning, and while learning or practicing I keep sharing that anyhow it will be helpful for anyone, then it will make me feel very happy. So guys, let's practice of today Excel function, that is we called flash fill, and it will be very magical formula, will very helpful, trust me. And one is if, we are going to start if function, and I think you have some idea that how if works. Let's get started. So guys, this is our Excel sheet, and let me inform you one thing, that I keep uploading on Saturday or Sunday related spoken English and Excel, Power BI. So guys, if you want to grow in your career, then don't forget to watch that kind of video. I keep uploading 3 long videos in a week. So keep practicing while watching. There are no heavy load, it will be minimal time it will take to practice. So start watching and learning and grow in your career. So let's get started today videos. As you are watching here, this is sheet 2, and in sheet 2 you are showing here is some name written: Sushma Verma, Atik Sao, Devan Sao, and guys, I just want to, as it is written in the one cell, this is called a single cell what I have selected, and in one cell I want to write it in different cell, like Sushma Verma in one cell, age 90 in other cell. uh, no, this is not age, marks in either this, or you can say age. So here you can write in next cell and pass next cell, okay. And I'm going to write okay. One name, comma 70, and some company name. You can also write whatever coming in your mind, that you can write like Microsoft, Hexa, Google, Deloitte, TCS, IBM. So we will practice on it. First we are going to practice on that one upper, okay. So here, after selecting this cell, okay, you just have to go in data, in ribbon, you can say here it is showing data, or in data just go to text to column. After clicking text to column, you will get three options, guys, like text to column, smart text to column, or advanced split. Split means it will divide you. I am going to show you three ones, like text to column, how it works. After clicking, you will get that delimited means if you click delimited, what is happening? Nothing is happening, means preview, it is showing delimited. Fixed width means it will be fixed, what is showing, it will be fixed like this. And after delimited, what is delimiter? Delimiter means what is showing, like Sushma, after Sushma Verma there is a comma, after 90 there is a comma and pass, that comma is called delimiter. Okay, this comma is called delimiter. So if I want to go next, then what is happening, let's see. Yeah, as we have selected delimiter, so asking what is in delimiter, is there tab or semicolon or comma or space? So there is a as we are seeing here, comma, so we have to select comma here. Okay, and then next and finish. Oh my god, it has been converted in itself, that cell, guys, as here is showing Sushma Verma 90 in other in different cell and pass in different cell, but I don't want to convert my original cell. It will be like that original one, and this one is come here and here, this next cell. So how it will, we are going to control Z. Okay, by pressing Ctrl Z, you will get original position. So Sushma Verma, here we are again going to text to column, then select smart text to column, and there why it is showing, okay, cross it, and in smart text to column you are getting this option. It will these are showing that kind of things like column 1, column 2, it are all are separated. So what, let's see what happening. Again it is showing, but there is comma available, but in text to original by delimiter there was no comma, so that was a good one practice. So I don't want this one to use. Control Z. Again we are going to say the next one, advanced split. What is it? Advanced split, we are going to practice, as I think we have to pay for using this, but let's try what is happening. It is not in free, so we will try this one, text to column, and after fixed width you will get comma in after finishing, and if you use delimited, then there you have to use comma, not tab. Next, but I wanted to write this name is the next cell, so but okay, let's finish. It is happening. So this one I think it will be very helpful, guys, but what I'm going to do again, let's see. The next cell, the very next cell after the cell where your data is available, like Sushma Verma. Okay, after next cell of that name, you have to just select that cell and just write first name, like I have written here SUSHMA, Sushma, and as it is written there in cell, you have to just copy that Verma, VERMA. Okay, and after write, just have to select this cell and press Ctrl E. Are you watching, guys, what happened? Is it not is it not is magical things? It is like a magic. Yeah. After pressing Control E, keep in your mind Control E, that is called flash fill. You will get in your ribbon flash fill, but I'm giving you shortcut. All name like Sushma Verma, Atiksha, Devansa, what the name as you have given here, simple. What simple will you give? It will work accordingly. Okay, like I have given here Susma Verma only, so the next cell is working accordingly. Like all the name has been come here. Now in next cell, I am going to only write 90. Let's see what happened then, and just select that cell and Control E. Oh my god, are you getting, guys? Are you watching? All the numbers have been written accordingly and separated, and in next cell we are going to write pass. It will give the result pass. So just press Control E and it has been written here, but why it is coming here PS only as here written pass? Okay, so like that it works. It is a very magical. You don't have to do any extra works. Just press Control E and you will get the result. Your data, your value will be separated by using Control E. This is one of the best formula, I think, to work, and it will be very helpful in your career when you will start working. And the next one is I have told you to first one text to function formula, text to column, and the second one is flash fill, and third one is if. We are going to work on if, how it is works. Suppose as it is written now, this is name, okay, NAME, and this is age, and this is marks, outcome, yeah, result, outcome, and we are going to use formula. If the question is who are pass, okay, the person who are getting who have passed will get 1000, and who have failed will get 0. Means who are pass will get 1000 and others all are 0. How it will works? Like is equal to if, is equal to if is equal to if open the bracket and then asking logical test. What you are going to say? That who have the age 90, means you have to select this cell, 90 will get okay, you have to select age. If age is equal to 1000, if Okay, question is that like guys, if is इफ एनी वन जो भी पास है उसे 10,000. ओके, मीन्स लॉजिकल टेस्ट पास. पास हु हैव पास्ड, सो फॉर पास वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट D3. Pass, as we are working on pass, so in which cell is pass have written? Don't select D3, just select pass. The person, oh my god, the person who has passed, just the person who has passed, like select pass. Don't select both cell, just select this one, outcome. Who has passed is equal to, will get 1,000. Okay, 1,000 in, no, who has got pass, D3 is equal to pass, PASS. We have to write like this, logical test. This is called logical test. Then, and whenever we write any text in Excel, we have to just select it by double inverted comma. We have to use double inverted comma. Okay, now comma, value if true. If value true मतलब अगर सच हो गया, if the person is pass, if E3 is pass, then what they will get? They will get 1,000. Okay, value if true, they will get 1,000. And comma, others, if they will not pass, then what will they get? They will get 0. Okay, then close the bracket and enter. So as we are seeing here, as this person has written pass, he will get 1,000, and every person has passed here. Why it is showing 0? Okay, here it is not written. Guys, here is to understand one thing. As it is written here PS, not taking as pass, so it is showing 0. Here also showing PSS, means not written pass, so it is showing here 0. If you write here PASS pass, and here PASS pass, then it will convert in 1,000. As we have, are you watching guys? It has converted in 1,000, means who has passed will get 1,000 and other will get 0. Then it is accordingly you can use the formula like and how will you get that what formula have you used? After clicking you will get the formula here, and you can also write as a text like, if you click is equal to for FORMULA, formula TEXT, formula text, and open bracket, and just select this cell and close the bracket, enter. You will get the formula what you have applied here in text format guys. So just write this formula and use it. As for today is enough. Go practice throughout the week and keep learning, keep signing. Bye bye.